If you've got dirty concrete like this, you're going to want to watch this video. I'm going to show you 2 ways to clean this concrete with a pressure washer. The first way is going to spray up a whole lot of mud and get you totally dirty. The better way to do it is with this baby. This is not expensive. It's got 2 spinning wands underneath it, and it's got a brush level on here to keep the spray away from you. What you do is just plug this into the end of the wand and go back and forth and clean the concrete. Let's get to it right away. First, what you want to do is take this nozzle off. You might want to use this to trim the edges a little bit. We'll see. All right, and there you have it. Always wear ear protection. That engine on the power washer is way too noisy. The surface cleaner attachment tends to float on the concrete because of the fast spinning nozzles underneath. This makes it very easy to control, and the best part is that it provides splash protection. That means that if it hits deep water or mud, it won't spray up on your clothes or on your face like a regular spray nozzle would. This is the dirtiest part of the sidewalk because it's in the shade all the time. Look how effortlessly the surface cleaner cuts through the years of grime and mold. In just 2 quick passes, it brings the concrete back to brand new condition. This part of the video is set to 8 times faster speed just to keep things moving along. The nice thing about using the surface cleaner instead of a standard spray nozzle is that all the spray is contained underneath the dome lid. Look how easy it cleans even when there's a deep puddle of water. Nothing sprays out of your face or your clothes. Now that it's all scrubbed clean with the surface cleaner, you can use a 15 or 25 degree nozzle to just lightly spray off the dirty water to give it a final cleaning. For this step, you could also use a standard garden hose spray nozzle to get pretty much the same result with a little more effort. Well, there you have it. This thing is amazing. I love using this on sidewalks, driveways. I don't really use it on a deck because of the circular motion. If you're putting it on wood, I don't think that would be a good idea because it's spinning. Look at how clean that is. I'll tell you what, that's about 20 years worth of dirt taken off of there. Took me about 10 minutes total, 15 maybe. If you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. And with that said, this is your everyday man saying thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.